Hello, class 1 Alpha. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Can you see my presentation as well?
yes.
Okay, very good. Right. So we just continue our lesson for today. Before I continue the lesson, how about your exercise that I have gave you yesterday? You already finished it? You have any problem with the yesterday exercises?
No,
No problem, yeah? Okay, very good. Only one page, right? Only one page. Just add page what?
53.
50, sorry, 70, 73. Okay, it's very, very easy, right? So never mind. Today we continue the lesson for today. I think I would like to finish the first subtopic for chapter 8. Is it chapter 8? Yeah, lights and optics, right? Lights and optics. Okay. So before I continue the lesson for today, let's remind or what we call revise back the topic that we already learned yesterday. Okay. All right. You must able to identify the type of mirror. Right, the type of mirror. Okay. Topic 8.1. Yeah? 8.1. The usage of mirror. Number 1, type of mirror. How many type of mirror there are, class? Number 1.
Three.
Yes. Oh,
Mirror.
plain. Yes, plain mirror. Number 2. What's the type, class? Number 2.
Concave.
Yeah, concave. And then number 3.
Convex.
Yes, convex. Okay. And then please try to what we call identify the shape of the mirror. Plain mirror is just flat mirror. Okay, with no special shape. Concave mirror is like this. Depending on the light sources, depending on the light sources, convex mirror will be like this. Okay, depending on the light sources. If the sources of light coming from the left, for example, if I can draw the light sources right here, okay, this is concave mirror, and then convex mirror is like this. Okay, convex mirror is like this. I hope you understand, yeah. I'm sorry for my drawing, not very nice. A convex mirror is like this. When the light sources coming, it will be like this. Okay, this is the back of the mirror, class. This is the back of the mirror. This also the back of the mirror, and then this also, if plain mirror, this is also the back of the mirror. Okay. All right. Make sure you try to understand the type of mirror. And then number 2, yesterday we also learned about the type of image. Type of image, yeah. Number 1 is real image. Number 2 is what?
Virtual.
Anybody? Yes, number 2 is virtual image. VIRTUAL image. Okay, so what's meant by real image? Real image is produced, can be formed, not can be produced. Image can form on screen. This is what we call by real image. Virtual image cannot form on screen. You still remember the screen? For example, I just show you. Where are the picture? Where are the picture? This one. This is real image. This is the real image. All right. The image can be projected or can be formed on the screen. The screen here, such as what? Such as white cloth, such as paper, such as wall. And then the image, this is the sources of light, the plastic film. You can see the image on the screen. So this is what we call by the real image. Okay. So what is the image form on the mirror? The image form on the mirror is what? So because we are talking about the usage of mirror, okay, the usage of mirror, so you must understand the image that form on the mirror. Now we are talking about mirror right now. So the image form by mirror, we call it virtual image. Okay, virtual image. Can you understand this, class? Number 2, type of image. Is it okay, class?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So number 3. Okay, number 3. Number 3, make sure you understand the characteristics of image form on plane mirror. Characteristic form by image on characteristic of image form on number 1, plane mirror. Number 2, concave mirror. And number 3, convex mirror. How about the size? Okay, for plane mirror, the size is same. For convex mirror, the size is bigger or smaller? Concave mirror, the size will become bigger or smaller, you think?
Bigger.
Yes, bigger. For convex mirror, the size will become smaller. Okay. Sometimes, I know, sometimes you confuse between the concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave, you just remember cave, or cave if you become enter the cave is big. Concave. Vex smaller. Okay. I don't know lah. This is my method in how to memorize the size, right? It's up to you. But concave mirror, the size will be bigger. The convex mirror, the size will be smaller. And then yesterday also, number 4, we already learned about the application lah, the application or the usage of mirror. Okay. You can read yourself on our textbook about application and the usage of the mirror. Okay. And then how about the distance? How about the distance? Distance, same or different in plane mirror?
Same.
Yes, same. Okay. How about the distance in concave mirror? It seems that the object is nearer or what we call closer or further away in concave, because we can see the image in concave mirror is bigger, meaning that it seems that the object is nearer or closer or further away.
Nearer.
Yes, good. Nearer or closer. How about the convex mirror? The distance seems, because we can see it smaller, so the distance is what? Just opposite the concave. Maybe the distance will look like it's further away from the object. Okay, you can understand this, class?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. But this is mirror. We are talking about mirror right now. We are not talking about lens. Lens is another topic. You must understand the difference between the mirror and the lens. Okay, we are talking about mirror. For example, if I can use the concave mirror is like this. This is concave mirror. And then make sure you identify which one is the back and then which one is the front of the mirror. Okay, usually the smaller parts over here is the back of the mirror. Okay, this is mirror. Okay, mirror. Lens is like this. Lens is like this. But right now we are talking about mirror. Lens is like this. Concave mirror, convex. Lens is like this. Yeah. Concave. All right. Okay, lens is like this. This is lens. Okay, this is lens. Right? This is mirror. And then concave mirror. This is concave. Never mind. We are going to we learn about mirror first. Okay. And then mirror, we are using the concept of what? The concept of light reflection. Okay, the concept of light reflection. For example, if I have the sources of light here, for example, I got the torchlight. This is the torchlight. Torchlight is one of the sources. We can get the light from the torchlight over here, right? And then I will try to draw the line to represent the beam of light over here. So this is the beam of light. Usually light will travel in straight line or bent line. It will usually travel in straight line. Straight line. Okay, straight line. Okay, this is the light. And then what happened when it touch the surface of the mirror? It will reflect. This is what we call the reflection. It will reflect the lights, and then the lights will, depending on the angle depending on the angle of the surface of the mirror, it will bounce back. It will reflect back. Okay, this is also will reflect back. Okay, this is for concave mirror. Plane mirror. Plane mirror, because the plane mirror is flat. Okay, that's why we can see the angle of reflection when it's same. When we use convex mirror, the angle of the reflection is different because of the curvature here, because of the curve. You know what is curve? Curve meaning that the mirror is slightly bent. Okay, that's why it's this is the what we call the reflection of the concave mirror. But in Form 1, you just remember this. In Form 1, you just remember this one. The what we call reflection of light in. This is what type of mirror, class? This is what type of mirror? Plane, concave, or convex?
Plane mirror.
Yes, this is. Okay, very good. This is the reflection of light in plane mirror. Okay, you can see it has a very flat surface. Flat surface over here. Okay, that's why you can see the distance the same, the light, the distance same, the size of the object also the same because of if you are using plane mirror, because the light coming in, the angle of reflection is same. The degree is the same, and then the angle of reflection is also same. Okay, please look at the arrow over here, meaning that it is coming from the right. Is it true? The light is coming from the right, okay, reflected at the surface of the mirror, and then it will bounce back, or it will reflect back at the left. This is the left side, right? This is the right side. Okay, so this is the plane mirror lah, how we the reflection of light in plane mirror. Okay. Any problem? Okay, usage of plane mirror, I think you can read it for yourself. You right. So today, just a little topic. I want to continue the optical instrument, okay, that apply the concept of reflection of light. Okay, you can also try to refer it to your uh, uh, textbook page 226. All right, there is a few what we call optical instrument that can apply the concept of reflection of light. One of it we call it a periscope. This one, periscope. Okay, using the what we call the concept of reflection of light. Instrument is what, class? Instrument is the tool. Instrument is the tool invented by the scientists that help us to overcome to help us in sighting. For example, the glasses I'm wearing right now, the spectacle. Spectacle is one of the optical instrument. Okay, later on we try to learn about that. And then what else? Periscope, and then binocular, and then telescope. Anything that help us in seeing something. For example, periscope used by the submarine to observe the sea surface. Anything, device, any instrument, or any tool that help us to see more better, we call it optical instrument. Is it okay, class?
Okay.
Okay. For example, periscope, right? Because the submarine beneath the sea, under the sea, they want to see what we call they want to see what happened at the surface of the sea. So they use periscope, and then the periscope work by using the concept of reflection of light. This is the simple periscope as it gets. This is the simple periscope. Okay. If you can see here, the periscope here, all right, it use a mirror. Okay. Angle at 45 degree. Okay. And then at the top of the periscope also they have the second mirror, angle also at 45 degree. Okay. So that when you see at the bottom here, the light will reflected. Where is the sources of light? For example, this is the sources of light. This is the sources of light. The light from the people here will enter the periscope, and then it will reflected exactly at 45 degree. And then how many reflection here? How many reflection in the periscope? Just one reflection or two reflection?
What?
How many reflection? One or two reflection? This is mirror number one, and then this is mirror number two. How many reflection there is? Two. There is two reflection. This is the first reflection, and then this is the second reflection. And then the lights will enter the eye. This is as what we call the simple periscope. Okay, this is the periscope. Okay, can you understand this? This is one of the instrument, optical instrument. Optical instrument mean that the device or the tool that can help us to overcome or to help us in better seeing something. This is what we call by instrument, optical instrument. Okay, class? All right. Next one. Actually, I think my previous class, this is the project I need you to do. Okay. You must able to, I give you maybe about 2 weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You try to build a simple periscope just by using a cardboard, or maybe you can use the what we call shoebox or anything. Can you try to do this? Try to create a simple periscope. Okay, as you this is the project. This is your project. Okay. Never mind. Later on, I will try to give you the detail on how to do it. Okay, class. This is the project. I did not miss this project for my Form 1 class previous year. Form 1, this is the project I need you to do in every Form 1. Okay, building or you try to create a simple periscope. Okay, you can see you can open to page 226, activity 8.3. Maybe you can have a what we call idea in how to build this. Okay, later on the particular, I think I will give you the details later. Okay, next one. Okay, so this is the second optical instrument. We call it Kaleidoscope. Okay, Kaleidoscope is a toy made using plane mirror. You can create various amazing patterns. These patterns are obtained due to the repeated reflection of the image of the object inside the kaleidoscope. Therefore, the number of images seen is more than the number of objects. And then also you can also build the kaleidoscope. But kaleidoscope is a bit trickier, a little bit difficult to build. But I'm suggesting, I'm recommended you to use to try to create periscope. Okay, kaleidoscope is very hard to build a little bit. Okay, all right. Okay, this is the situation how we use periscope. Okay, because there is a big wall over here. How we want to see the what we call the object outside, the object behind the wall, we can use the periscope. Okay, this is the application of situation number 2. We use the convex mirror to see the object, to see the object around the corner. Okay, and then this is the situation number 3. You use the what we call the side mirror, side mirror on the bicycle, on the motorcycle, or in the car using the convex mirror. Okay, any problem? We already finished 8.1. Do you have any problem? You want anything to ask?
No.
No, Okay, about the project of creating periscope, I will try to give give you the detail on how to do it. Okay, later on. Okay, so if you do not have any question, I think now it's 9:25 in the morning, so we'll be all meeting you all again on Thursday. On Thursday, okay, we have the class on Thursday at the same time, about 9 in the morning. Okay, so again, if you have any question, you can ask me on our Telegram group. Okay, thank you for your listening and participation. You can leave the class now. Goodbye. See you all again later. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you very
sir.
much. Thank you. Bye-bye.